Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Cooking Goth, and tonight I have another Halloween episode for you guys. Tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make Beetlejuice Sandworm cinnamon rolls. For this recipe, you will need Pillsbury Grand's cinnamon rolls, candy bat wings, white and black food coloring, red M&Ms, and decorating brushes. It's showtime.
First, paint up those rolls with the white food coloring and then bake them like it says on the package. Next, mix up that white food coloring into the icing and then use that icing to ice the cinnamon rolls. Now turn it black with the black food coloring and then paint the black stripes. And now put in the M&M eyes and the candy fin. And after all that hard work, you're finally finished and you can eat them.
Alrighty everyone, now for the taste test. I worked so hard on these. I'm so happy that these turned out great and didn't like turn into like a big huge mess and a disappointment like me. And you know, let's just get this show on the road here. Up close to you guys. Oh, excited. These were in the refrigerator for a little while. But, I mean, man. I like Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. And yeah, is it kind of a disappointment that you can't eat them hot unless you like warm them back up? Yes. But like, if you're going to make these, you're going to take them to a party anyway. So, I mean, and at a party, you're most likely not going to eat them warm. So, yum. Wormy. And, prepare to get some colored icing on your fingers. M&M's don't go bad with them at all. I mean, it's chocolate. Of course, you're not going to want to bite into the fin as you're chowing down on the soft bun here, roll, whatever. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. As I always say, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a bioexorcist, just have fun with it. Also, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the little bell for the notifications. So that way, whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking God is posting a brand new video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.